Now guys, I have an exercise here for you. It's a cinema ticket or cinema ticket price calculator, and it means that a visitor is buying a ticket to the cinema. So you need to ask at first about the type of the ticket. So it is child, the price is 6, adult 10, senior 8. After that you will ask about 3D glasses. If he put here yes, the price will be higher, about $2. If not, nothing happened. If he or she wants a popcorn, if yes, there is an option small, the price will be higher to $3. If it is large, the price will be higher, about $5. Okay, so if he or she doesn't want to popcorn, so nothing will happen with the price. And after that you will calculate the price and display the price in the terminal. Okay, so I will run it. Just a second, maybe I will clear it. I will run it and it will go like this. Ticket type, you can change it if you want. I would write it like this, but if you want to write it a different way, it's up to you. Okay, everything is up to you. The most important thing is that the code is working. Okay, it's fine. So for example, I am child, 3 glasses yes, popcorn yes, small or large, I will put it here small, and this is the result, your ticket type. So this is something like a summary. Okay, your ticket type C, 3D glasses yes, popcorn yes, and the final ticket price is 11. So if I see it's 6 plus 2, it's 8, and popcorn small, it's 3. So 8 plus 3, it's 11, right? So I hope you understand how it works. So you can try it, you can stop or pause the video, you can try it by yourself, and after that I will show you the result. So I will show you the solution. It can goes like this. How I said, you can change whatever you want. Okay, the questions can be different. It's up to you. For example, small or large, you can ask about S for small, L for large, and so on and so on. It's completely up to you. So here I have some welcome text cinema ticket calculator. I will ask user about the ticket type. Okay, I would put here upper because it will be uppercase CAS. Glasses, again input, it's lower, yes or no. Popcorn input, it's lower, yes or no. Be careful because about the popcorn we will ask here if he or she wants small or large popcorn. After that, so the first thing is that we need to know if the popcorn is yes. Okay, so I will ask about the popcorn, yes or no. So here, if the ticket is C, ticket price is 6, ticket type is 8, ticket price is 10. If ticket type is S, is senior, so ticket price is 8. We will ask about glasses. If glasses are yes, so ticket price is higher, but be careful, you can write something like this, okay, because you would raise the previous ticket price, previous value, and put it here too. We don't want that. Okay, so you can write this, or it's a short code for this. These two lines are exactly the same. Okay, but try to use the short code if you can. Okay, great. After that we will evaluate the popcorn. If popcorn yes, I will ask in this moment, okay, do you want a small or large? Lower again. If popcorn is small, ticket price is higher, about $3. If popcorn is large, the price will be higher, about $5. Else, print, you entered incorrect option, but it's up to you because it should be if popcorn size is small, plus 3, else ticket price plus 5. Okay, it's an option. It's up to you. It can be different. And after that we will print some summary. I will put here only these dashes, and I would write it like this. You can use different prints, so the 1, 2, 3, 4 prints if you want, for 4 separated prints. It's absolutely up to you how you would print it out. Okay. Again, I put here /n. It means new line. Okay, and the result you saw that. Okay, so maybe one more time. Okay, I'm a senior, glasses no, popcorn yes, I would like to have small, and the result is I have, or my final price is 18. Sorry, no 18, it's 11. It's $11. Okay, so I hope you were successful. And please don't forget that every code from all these videos you have in a textbook, and the link to the textbook is in description of every video. So you can go there, click, find the number of the video, and you will see these codes there. So you can copy it, use it, play with it, change it if you want.